Hello guys, welcome back to another video. The topic for today is increment and decrement operators. Increment operators is this plus plus, then decrement operators is this minus minus. Okay, plus 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 increases the value of operand by one, while minus minus decreases by one. Okay, this increment operator can be classified into two types: pre-increment and post increment. Okay. Same way, decrement also classified into two types, pre-decrement and post-decrement. Shall we begin with our problem? Okay, as usual, we get import java.util.star in order to import the scanner package. Okay, then class main method. I declare scanner sc equal to new scanner system.in in order to get input from the user. Okay, here I have to get input integer type, so I declare int a is equal to sc dot next int, which will get input from the user. For example, in this case I will give 5. Okay, then first operation we have to perform is pre-increment. Pre-increment means the value get first incremented. Okay, here int c is equal to plus plus a, which means this 5 will get incremented by 1. So here 5 plus 1, which is 6. Okay, so c is equal to 6. Okay, now this value pre-incremented get incremented and store it in C. Okay, so 5 will get incremented to 6 and store it in C. A is also now get incremented by 1, which is also 6. So A is also 6. Here the output will be what is the value get assigned in C? C assigned 6. Okay, then system.out.println a is also 6. Okay, because a is also get incremented here. Okay, for better understanding of output I will c is so c is 6, a is also 6. Okay, then post increment. Now a is 6, right? In post increment, first the value get assigned to d, then a will get incremented. So here d is assigned to a value is 6 right now, so d is equal to 6, then a will get incremented. A already sits, a plus plus means a plus a is equal to a plus plus means a equal to a plus 1. Okay, so already a is 6, 6 plus 1 7. So its result d is equal to a, which is already is 6. Okay, so first sixes get assigned to d, then a will get implemented. Okay, so a is equal to 7. So here d is d value is 6, then a value is a value is 7. Okay, hope you understand the concept between the pre-increment and post increment. In pre-increment, the value get incremented and store it in C. In post increment, the value is assigned first to D, then only A will get incremented. Okay, so D remains same, since A will get incremented to 7. Okay, then we come to post decrement. Sorry, pre decrement. In pre decrement, as usual, it's the same like pre increment. It will get decrement first. Okay, so E is equal to minus minus A means A is equal to A minus 1. So which implies A is what? 7. Here 7, right? So 7 minus 1, which is 6. So E is equal to 6. Then A is also decremented by 1. So A is equal to 6. Okay, it will get decrement by 1 first, then it assigned to E, then A is also decremented. Now E is equal to 6, A is equal to 6. Okay, so here E is here. So here it will print E is equal to 6 and A is equal to 6. In post decrement, it will first assign the value to F, then A will get decremented. Okay, now F is equal to A minus minus. Now the A value is 6, right? So F is equal to 6. Then A is equal to A minus 1. So 6 minus 1, which is 5. So here A is equal to 5 and F is equal to 6. So our output will be F is 6, then A is 5. A is okay, which is 5. Okay, shall we run the program? I will give input 5. So it will print our output like this. C is 6. Okay, C is 6. So 6 is get printed. Here A is also 6. A is 6. Then post increment, which is D is 6. D is 6. A value is 7. A value is 7. Then pre decrement, E is 6. E is 6. Then A is 6. A is 6. F is 6. F is 6. Then A is 5. A is 5. Okay. Yeah, that's how the increment and decrement operator works in Java. Hope you understand the concept. That's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. I leave the program solution in the description. Kindly check it. Thank you.